Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 10 in 2026. Now, if the Wi-Fi icon disappeared or you can't see any networks, these quick fixes will help you get it back fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step 1, you need to turn on the VLAN services. For that, simply press Windows plus R on your Windows 10 PC or keyboard. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you will have to type a command. The command is going to look something like this, services.msc. Once you type it, simply hit OK or enter. Now you need to find the VLAN auto configure. Once you are able to find it, simply right click on it and then click on the option of start. Now, if it is already running, you just have to click on the option of restart, and this service controls the Wi-Fi on your Windows, and restarting it fixes the issues instantly for many users. Now, in the second method, you need to enable the Wi-Fi adapter. For that, simply click on the start menu. Basically, you need to right click on it, then click on the option of device manager. Over here in the device manager, simply look for the option of network adapters. Here, look for the option of Wi-Fi/wireless adapter. Now, if it is disabled, you just have to right click on it and then you just have to simply click on the option of enable. If it is already enabled, you just have to choose the option of disable, wait for 5 seconds and then enable it again. Now, in this next step, what you can do is you can simply install or update the Wi-Fi drivers. So still in the device manager, right click on the wireless adapter. Here you will see the option of update driver. When you click on it, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. Over here, select the option of search automatically. Now, if nothing updates here, you just have to uninstall your device and restart your PC, and then your Windows will reinstall the correct driver automatically. So after doing all of these methods, you will be able to fix the Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 10. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.